This is Ninja Man back in 1991 and mash up Japan at Japan Fest or Japan Splash. Watch this.
Watch out, make me come down, the damn them a come down, the damn them a come down. Tivoli dan them walk in the town, and when they come instead of them run the town. Jungle dan them walk in the town, and when they come instead of them run the town. What the hell when Ninja come down? Japanese start run up and down. The dan dog and talk of the town. And I'm about that they know what the man and a van. What do the mic say? Well, no man take time, man, it's a man. We want to know what to the mic stand. It's that you proud, me say, what a bam bam. Not tell it around there, we come on, man, boy. That's what we say, that's what we can.
Yo, what kind of wine that? Ninja, what kind of wine that? We need answers, Ninja, from 1991 until now. We want to know what kind of wine that.
You can't say what me I say now. My time, man. Well, I'm never bust a chain and me never pick a pocket. Never see a older man bag and try grab it. Everything me have, you know me work hard for it. Why not in here, Ninja Man? Every day them see you out the road and you a flop. But you wanna Benz a spin your you wanna bar. Girl, them sexy, your clothes, them shut up. Who not like Ninja Man, tell a boy. Ninja, them a watch everything and we are wear and up to the hard work. And we look at the guy. And them a wonder, everybody read about my way of your answer. From me under there. Yeah. Like you want to from your mind.
Ninja Man never enjoy the performance there. Tell Beanie. And if it Ninja time to perform, you stop the man shine, brother. I tell you, I can never get enough of this Ninja Man Emily interview. This ish will have you laughing until you start crying. Watch this.
You offered police officers money to...
After me now walk, I give you some idiot. You know, see all of my case and go front of the judge and dismiss.
How many times have you gone in front of the judge at your young age?
Well, if they know Jamaica people business and then know Ninja Man business in Jamaica, then should I know how much time they bring me front of the judge for me don't know about.
You talk the truth. You tell me. How old are you?
A whole heap of time.
How old are you?
Right now at my young age, Mr. Young, bold and beautiful, I'm 37 years of age, the 24th of this month.
How many children do you have?
23. 22 baby mother. I was batting careful, a good cricketer.
If you're batting careful, how did you manage to have 23 children?
Because I lick all of the runs, them I never out for ducks.
That part is one of my favorite part of the interview. I actually watched the whole interview last night. I couldn't stop laughing. I tell her, me laugh till me cry. Anyways, we have one 2-minute clip of the Ninja Man and Emily interview. I can't get enough, so I'm assuming that you guys can't get enough either. Watch and enjoy and laugh, don't cry.
Because I'm not answering that. You're trying to make me look like an informer.
No.
Yes.
If you say, reason with...
Me say you have them where we sell the gun.
Reason
everybody hungry. You have all bad man that sell gun, much less police when I have no food.
And do you know Desmond Ballantyne? Do you know of police officers selling gun?
You know where you do? You more pretty, you could have more be an investigator. Go and see if you can find out if a police officer sell gun. Join the force as an undercover police who's seeking out police business. I am out there as an outlaw trying to make Jamaica a better place to live. Trying to change the youth them used to tread in my direction. I ain't no business about which police to sell gun. Me just nagging a normal policeman gun. Adams is the one where them have out here as the head of the crime. Who out here on a gun hunt.
The gun that you handed over to Mr. Adams on stage, was it ever loaded before? You handed to him a loaded gun. Was it loaded before?
Ah, it's a souvenir.
So it was loaded before. How did it become empty?
Eh?
If it was loaded before, how did it become empty? And
Oh,
when did
you
you
know it
reload
did empty.
But you say it's not souvenir, so
If
was it not
one
empty?
shot in a gun in load, that's how we want, you know.
One out of how much?
If a million shots supposed to hold in the magazine and you put one shot in it and select it in the head, it's load.
Was
that one shot can fly through 2 man.
Did you ever use that pistol that you handed over to Mr.
The
Adams?
ballistics will tell you. I don't have to tell you that.
Have you spoken with the police since you handed over the gun to them?
Right now, me never hand over the gun to really go back, go investigate to the police, them want me to it now, and if me wouldn't hand it over if me interested in it, girlfriend. And my whole interest is to give in that gun, to give up, forget mistakes out of crime, forget about crime. That should, in case anything, they write in the paper that is Ninja Man above the law. I am not above the law yet.
Listen, this interview will always be a classic. There's so much to learn about this in this interview as well. It's fun, entertaining, but it's a serious interview as well. If you have the time, go and go watch it on TVJ. But I will try to react to it, the long form, soon. But I hope you guys enjoy. Have a blessed day. Stay safe.